Matt, you're absolutely right. You just can't see much here, and it seems to be getting worse and worse as the morning goes on here. They clearly can't get any planes in and out of here. So basically, all of the New York area airports are effectively closed at this point because they just cannot get flights in the air. And this is affecting flights all across the country. So right now, between yesterday and tomorrow, we're looking at more than 10,000 cancellations. Today alone, we're seeing about 5,000 cancellations, just over that. Tomorrow, we already have more than 1,000 cancellations. So people are going to have a tough time getting around really across the country because you're talking about getting planes back in place. They're just not in place right now. And so that's the issue. And that's going to take days to recover. So I have people who are calling me saying, hey, I'm trying to get to New York. Well, they're not going to get here till Thursday if they had a flight today, for example. So it is a big situation. And even Dallas, you're probably going to see those issues as well because you're going to need those planes to be in position to go ahead and travel correctly. So Mariel, my friend, I just wish I was in Dallas with you guys right now because this is a mess.
Gio, I hope you're staying warm out there. And yeah, the visibility dropping, the definition of a blizzard, over 35-mile-per-hour wind speeds, and blowing snow that's going to cause visibility of less than a quarter of a mile. Several states under blizzard warnings right now, including parts of New York City, and feet of snow, likely over 2 feet between now and tonight. The highest snowfall rates, by the way, happening right now. And you can clearly see it on radar. You can see that band of snow extending anywhere from D.C. up towards Boston and New York City included in that. Let's talk about what a nor'easter is. The big area of low pressure right off of the coast. Nor'easters are known for this, and they're known to bring in wind from the northeast. That's why it's called a nor'easter. And this is really what's helping bring in a lot of that snowpack. It's typical during the winter time, but it can happen anytime. Improvements tomorrow, but more snow expected on Wednesday. They just can't catch a break, Dia.
Hey, thanks.